Hi everyone, in this video I will present the new features released in XBIS during June and July 2023. Colleagues tab. The new Colleagues tab allows you to view all of your colleagues by their departments, their present status, and perform actions such as call and chat by hovering the mouse cursor. With the right click, you can get access to additional actions. If you find a colleague who is receiving a call or who is already in a call, you will see additional actions such as listen, barge, whisper, call pickup. When you have an incoming call, the Colleagues tab allows you to forward a call. To do it, find the person you wish to forward this call to, and then do drag and drop. So take the call dialog, drag it onto a colleague, and then let it go, drop it. In case you're already in a call, in the same way you can transfer a call using drag and drop, and it will always be a blind transfer. Favorites tab. In the Favorites tab, you can set up your favorite colleagues and features for quick access. To add a new colleague, click on the plus icon. Title option allows you to give a custom name to this person. Call options below are useful in case you need to pick up calls for that user. With View Calls, you will have a call pop up every time this user receives an incoming call. You will see who is calling and you will be able to pick up right from the pop-up. Audio notification will not show a pop-up but will add a short beep sound every time this user has an incoming call. All the function keys set up in this menu are applied to the XBIS mobile app, but also to your Wildix desk phone if you have one assigned to your account. Direct transfer option serves to enable blind transfer via function keys for your hardware phone. Remember to click Save on your function key and then Save at the bottom of the page to apply your changes. After you've added a colleague function key, you can forward and transfer your calls to this colleague using drag and drop, and it will be always a blind transfer. If you need to add a function key of a different type, not a colleague one, let's see how to do it. Let's click on plus again and now click on colleague to view other function keys that are available. Most of these function keys are useful only for hardware phones, and I will not discuss them in this video. I will only talk about those function keys that are useful for XBIS users. Park location is a special type of extension that doesn't belong to a person. It's a virtual park orbit user added on the admin interface. Add this button and select the park location extension. After that, you can park calls on that extension and retrieve those calls. Or you can retrieve calls that were parked to this function key by someone else. Speed dial. This one enables you to add the number that you wish to dial and add the title so that you remember what this key is about. Switches and timetables. Those are created on the admin interface. They allow you to monitor the status of a certain switch or timetable and change it right from the XBIS interface by calling the button. Group pickup is primarily useful for hardware phones, for people belonging to the same department and working in the same office. When you hear a ringing call of a colleague but they are not there, you can press the button and pick up that call. If for some reason you want to use this feature on XBIS, you can add this function key and you can use the function key to pick up calls arriving to people from your department or to some other department. Call group. Same as with the colleague function key. You can use this one to dial a call group, to pick up a call for a call group, and to get a pop-up when there is an incoming call to that queue if you enable the option View Calls. And of course, you can forward and transfer your incoming calls to this queue using drag and drop. Send DTMFs. You can add DTMFs here, and then you can press the function key during a call to send those DTMFs. View faxes and voicemails. Now you can get new faxes and voicemails right into an XBIS conversation. Like that, you can see the history of all the interactions with the contact in one single place, including chats, calls, conferences, faxes, and voicemails. Website widget. Our customer service widget for websites got a few updates as well. Let's open Settings, Kite Settings, Website Widgets. First of all, in addition to the ability to download the entire code of a widget, you can copy its direct link right from this menu. The difference is that the code of the widget allows you to embed the widget as it is onto your website. The link is just the direct link allowing you to contact this group of people. And we also added the possibility to adjust the color to have it fit better into a customer's website. Speed dialing. We added two features that enable fast dialing from any place. The first one is a one-click call from the browser. So if there is a link behind the phone number, you can click on it to start a call via XBiz. We also added a dialing hotkey in settings, calls, and you can set up your own combination of keys here. You can select any phone number and press the key combination to start a call. Both of these features allow users to start a call without opening XBiz from any place. Call is started using the device selected in XBiz dialpad. To start using these two features, make sure the integration service is installed and is up to date in Settings extensions. Meeting captions and emotions analysis. Some AI features are now available in meetings. The first one is real-time captions. To activate them, click on the three dots from the meeting's controls and then click on subtitles and select the language. This feature is really useful for people with hearing disabilities and for people who are not native speakers and struggle to follow the meeting. Please note, once a participant enables subtitles, they will be visible to other users. And the second AI feature is real-time emotions recognition, and you can enable them in Speaker Stats, Display Emotions. And here you can see color-coded mapping of emotions. So after you enable this feature, you can read the face expressions of every user who has their camera on. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.